in this question, we have that find n if 34n equals 100,112 base 2. All right, to be able to get this n, notice that this n here is under unknown base. We don't know the base that this number is here, but we know this other base. So what we have to do is, since this number are equal to each other, what we need to do is that we are going to convert this base here that is in 2 to base 10. That is this number. And then we convert this number also to base what? 10. And I hope you know how to convert a number from a base to what? Base 10. If you don't know, check the video that make that. So what we're going to do here, let's first of all convert 10012. 10011 to base what? So we start from here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the power they are under. Why do we align this as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? That is under what? The base of what? 10. For instance, if I should say 10, what is 10? 10 is equal to what? 10 raised to power what? 1. What about 100? 100 is equal to what? 10 raised to power 2, which is equal to what? 10 times what? 10. Alright, what about 1000? 1000 is equal to what? 10 raised to power 3, which is what? 10 times 10 times what? 10. So if you look at here, this one here is under tens. So that this tens means just a single power 1. This one, this 0 is under what? 100. So this 100 is a power what? 2. And this 3, this 0 here is under what? 1000, which is what? 1000, and it is 3. So that 1000 is under power of what? 3. Also this one, 1000 also. 1100 is also under what? We'll put it, you also have it as 10 raised to power what? 4. You get. So that is why we align this number we have here in this one. When you align the number to convert it to base 10, we're going to use this one, multiply by 2, let it to power what? 4. Alright, we add it to 0 now, multiply by 2, the same base, let's to power what? 3. And we're going to use 0 this time around again, because we have 0 twice. We multiply by what? The same base, let's to power what? 2. So this 0 is under power what? 2. So we add it with what? 1 now, multiply by what? 2 raised to power what? 1. That is, the 1 is under power what? 1. And then we multiply, we use 1, the last one, multiply by what? 2, raise it to power what? 0, which is under what? Units. So we're going to work this out, and I hope you know the multiplication. So that 1 here is going to times 2 raised to power 4 means 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, plus 10, 0 times 2 raised to power 3. You know that if you say that 2 raised to power 3 is going to give you what? 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. But if you use 8 now and multiply by 0, therefore I multiply by 0, it's going to give you 0. So once you reach to a place whereby you have 0 multiply like this one, you just what? Ignore it, because it's still going to give you what? 0 at the end. But now I want us to what? Put it 0 times what? 8 plus bracket 0 times 2 times 2 is what? 4 plus bracket 1 times 2 raised to power 1 is what? 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0, anything raised to power 0 is what? Is 1. Now let's go. 1 times 16 is what? 16 plus 0 times 0, like I say, is still going to give you 0, plus 0 times 4 is still going to give you 0, plus 1 times 2 is going to give you 2, plus 1 times 1 is going to give you 1. Now here 16 plus 0 is still 16, 16 plus 0 is still 16, 16 plus 2 is going to give what? 18, 18 plus 1 is going to give you what? 19, and this is under what? Base what? 10. So I've converted this number to what? Base 10. Hence, we have it to be what? 19. So the next one again is, we are going to convert, sorry, we're going to convert this other number to what? Base 10. All right, so we're going to go in this form, 3, 4, base 10. We have 1, sorry, start with 0 and then 1. You get. So what we're going to do here, like we know already, we're going to say n, sorry, 3 multiplied by n raised to power what? 1. bracket plus 4 multiplied by what? N raised to the power what? 0. You get. Now if you do this, you're going to now get the value. Is easy. And 3 times n raised to the power 1 is going to give us what? N plus 4 times n raised to the power 0 is just 1. So 4 times what? 1. So that is any number raised to the power 0 or any alphabet raised to the power 0 is just 1 constant. You get. So now 3 times n is going to give us what? 3n plus 4 times 1 is going to give us what? 4. Now 3n cannot plus what? 4. You get. But this we have gotten here are now under what? Base what? Base 10. So this is converting this number to what? Base 10. This is what it gives us. Now if this number are equals to, and now we convert them to base 10, they're also going to be what? Equal. So we're going to align the numbers we have in base 10. This number now in base 10 is what? 3n, and it is plus 4, which is equals to what? It is equals to this number which we converted to base 10 as what? 19 base what? 10. Remember that these numbers are in what? Base what? Base 10. So what do we need to do here? What we need to do here is we need to collect like terms. We can avoid this basis here. Collect what? Like terms. 4 is going to cross over. I'm going to have 3n equals to 4 crossing over of 19 minus what? 4. Remember, I'm looking for what? N. So now 3n is equals 19 minus 4. We're going to give us what? 15. Now we divide by what? 3 and divide by what? 3. 3 cancel 3 equals 15 over what? 3 is going to give us what? 5. So that our n value here is what? 5. So that is, we can write this as 34 base 5 equals 1011 base 2. You get. So now that is the answer, which is what? 5. In the option you choose 5. But what does it mean? Remember, these numbers are not the same thing. It means that if I should convert this number now, that is in base 2, if I should convert it to base what? 5. But convert it to base 5, it's going to give me what? 34. And if I should convert this one in base 5 now to base 2, it's going to give me what? 100112. So in this base 5, 35 is equals to 10012 in base what? 2. That is what this expression is showing. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, or follow me. Now, if you're not on my WhatsApp channel where I'm teaching different subjects, Online Academy platform on WhatsApp, WhatsApp me on 08153957022. In another country, you're going to consider adding +234. WhatsApp me on this number. I'm going to add it to the WhatsApp mathematics. Thank you, and don't forget to share this video. Bye bye.